Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kiwat Panjatnika, and my last digit number is 041, a statistical and data science student from Semarang State University. Before I begin this essay presentation, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to two lecturers who have supported this project. To Ms. Stephanie, thank you for your insightful guidance, and to Ms. Vena Agustina, thank you for your consistent support. Your contribution have been essential in helping me shape this presentation. Today, I will be presenting the result of a research project titled Revealing Movie Genre Trends Among University Students, a Statistical Approach. Let's begin our journey into how statistics can help us understand entertainment preference. This research aims to analyze how university students, particularly those in the statistics and data science program, choose movie genres. We will explore how preference differ by age and gender, and how statistics can be a powerful tool to reveal this behavioral pattern. Introduction. The survey was conducted to understand movie genre preference among statistics and data science students. The data collected included demographic information such as age and gender, as well as respondent favorite movie genre. The aim was to identify trends in entertainment choices based on this demographic, providing insight into viewing habits and genre popularity among different segments of the population. Descriptive statistics. In this session, we take a closer look at the descriptive statistics of our respondent. We collected responses from a total of 46 students. Among them, 26 were female and 20 were male. This fairly balanced gender distribution gives us a good basis for comparing preference across groups. Now, let's talk about age, an important demographic variable in the study. The age range of respondents was from 16 to 19 years old. After analyzing the data, we found that the mean age was 17.6 years. This tells us that the most of the students are in their first or second years of university. The median age, which represents the middle value when ages are arranged in order, was also 17, showing that the data is slightly skewed toward the younger side but still relatively symmetrical. These basic descriptive statistics, like mean, median, help us summarize the key characteristics of our sample before diving into gender preference. They provide the context we need to interpret the pattern that emerge later in the analysis. Genre. In this part of the research, we focus on identifying the specific movie genre that students were most and least interested in. We asked students to consider a list of 13 popular movie genres such as romance, crime, thriller, fantasy, adventure, animation, musical, drama, science fiction, action, comedy, horror, and documentary. These genres were carefully selected to cover a wide spectrum of storytelling styles, emotional experience, and audience expectation. Each genre offers something different, like romance and drama, often explore emotion, relationship, and personal growth, attracting viewers who enjoy character-driven stories. And other is action and thriller, focus on intensity, suspense, and adrenaline-filled scenes, often appealing to those who enjoy fast pacing and excitement. And like fantasy and science fiction, transport audience into imaginative or futuristic world, offering creative escape and speculative storytelling. Comedy is built around humor, while horror provokes fear and tension. Documentary focus on real-life subject, offering additional value and often social commentary. Now, let's focus for a moment on animation. While sometimes mistakenly seen as only for children, the genre of animation was proven its universal appeal. A perfect example is Jumbo, an animated film that recently became the #1 in Indonesia. Its massively popularity demonstrates that animation storytelling, when done well, can engage audience of all ages, including university students. This shows that students today are increasingly open to genres that were once considered age-specific. By offering this broad selection of genre, we create space of respondents to express a variety of preference and to discover whether age and gender influenced their engagement with certain types of film. Analysis. Now, let's analyze the genre preference based on the responses we receive. When broken down by gender, the difference become clear. Among female students, the most preferred genres were number 1 is romance with 7 response, number 2 with 6 response is drama, and the third one is fantasy with 5 response. This genre tend to focus on emotional storytelling and imaginative worlds, themes that resonate strongly with many young women in our sample. Meanwhile, male students showed a slightly broader spread of interest. The top genres were action, thriller, romance, and animation with 3 response. What's interesting here is that romance appeared in both groups' top preference, although it was clearly stronger among female students. Also, worth noting is that male students did not concentrate their choices as much. Their top genre all had an equal number of response, suggesting more varied tastes. Based on the responses, we observed that several genres received little to no interest from the student. Musical, crime, comedy, horror, science fiction, and documentary stood out as the least popular genres. This lack of interest may suggest that these genres do not resonate with the daily experiences or emotional state of students in this demographic. It could also reflect in generational shifts in entertainment preference, especially in an era dominated by streaming and algorithm-based recommendation. Discussion. Let's dive deeper into the demographic insight. The majority of respondents were aged between 16 and 19 years old, with an average of 17.6. This makes it a relatively young group, likely in their early years of university. We found that female students preferred genres such as romance, drama, and fantasy. This genre often show character development and imaginative worlds, which may appeal to their narrative interests. On the other hand, male students showed more diverse preference. Their favorite genre include action, thriller, and animation, typically fast-paced and visually engaging genres. This distinction suggests that female students tend to have more focused tastes, while male students explore a wider range of genres. Furthermore, genres like horror, science fiction, and documentary were unpopular across both genders. This could be due to the complex themes or emotional discomfort often associated with these genres. Conclusion. To conclude, this analysis has revealed that students between the age of 16 and 19 years old dominate the sample group. We found clear gender-based distinction in movie preference. Female students generally favored emotional and imaginative genres like romance and drama, while male students preferred more dynamic and suspenseful genres such as action and thriller. What most important is how statistics help us uncover this trend. By applying descriptive analysis and comparing demographic factors, we have been able to paint a clear picture of how young university students engage with entertainment. This kind of data-driven approach can also be applied to the other domains such as marketing, psychology, and even film production to better understand and target specific audience. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has given you valuable insight into how data and statistics can help reveal the preference and behaviors of specific group, even in something as personal as movie tests. Thank you.